Hello and welcome back. Today we will be looking at dynamic blocks, more specifically attribute definitions within dynamic blocks. Here you can see I have the beginning of a title block that I wish to use on all of my drawings. I have the basic layout and now I want to add the project specific information that will need to be changed from project to project. The first step is to convert this to a block. I will select everything and in the Insert tab, click Create Block. In the block definition window, we will need to give the block a name. Then select the option to convert to block, as well as tick the box to open the block editor. An optional step is to untick the Allow Exploding box under Behavior. This will mean that after the block has been created, you will not be able to explode the block. This may be beneficial to stop the block from being accidentally exploded or to reduce the chance of someone else changing the layout of the block if it is to be a standard template. Now we are in the block editor. I will start to add the attributes that I need. Under the Insert tab, I will click Define Attribute. In this window, I will need to add the attribute information such as the tag, which is used to define the attribute and needs to be individual for each one. The prompt is what will be shown to the user to prompt them what should be entered into the box. And default is what will be displayed before editing each time. Once you have entered this, click OK and you'll be prompted to position the attribute on the screen. These can be moved after they are placed if you are not happy with the position. I will now quickly place the rest of these and get back to you once I'm done. Now that I have added all the attribute definitions that I need, I can close the block editor and click Save. The first thing that you will notice is none of the attribute definitions that I have entered are showing in the block. At this point, I will need to sync the block with the attributes with the command ATT-sync. You can either sync the block based on its name, or as I'm going to do, by selecting the block and clicking Yes to sync. We can now see all the attribute data in the block, and by double clicking on the block, the attribute editor box will pop up. In the attribute editor box, I can quickly scroll through the list and update the data to suit, and when I click OK, you will see that the data has been updated. Now you can see down here I have a problem with the layout which I need to fix. The only problem is now I can't double click on the block to open the block editor. I will need to select the block and run bedit to open the block editor. I can now adjust the position of the attributes, then close and save the block. Now rerun the ATT-sync command to update the block and see the changes. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and if you have, please consider leaving a comment to let me know what you have improved, and maybe give someone else an idea what they could be doing to improve their drawings. If you would like to see more tutorial videos like this, please hit the subscribe button for new videos each week.